5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hi guys! Guys, meron sasabihin kayo. Hindi nyo alam yung baby pa ako. I have eyes, do you know? Begin in our life was scary because there's earthquake, tornadoes,
Umalis na.
we prayed every day, and dark comes to light, right? And we all are happy in our home. Home sweet home. There, I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go play to some friends or you'll be lonely. My life, everything changed when I was a baby. Guys, be kind, change your life. Hey guys, be kind, change your life. To a good one. Guys, alam nyo, may super speed ako.
Oh, natapos na yung English. Filipino naman.
Yes, of course.
Sige, go.
Guys, alam nyo, pag tinatry nyo sagasaan, di nyo kaya. Butik na lang ako masagasaan sa motor, nag-dash lang ako, parang black fruit.
Ano, ang dami tuto.
Ah,
Iayos ko lang yun.
guys, butik na lang ako masagasaan ng motor. Na-dodge ko. Ang galing ko, parang black fruit na ako. Tsaka guys, pinamasok sa bike, beep beep, beep beep. Nag-dodge ko, yeah. I was super crazy. Hindi na ngayon, kasi uminom ako ng sleeping drink. Nantok ako. Gusto ko pa manood. Yes! Akin yung burger nila. Akin yung burger nila. Let me eat it.
Akin din yung isa.
Tataba kami lang.